In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove shipping fee in TikTok Shop. While there isn't a direct remove shipping fee toggle inside TikTok Shop, you can achieve the same result by setting up a shipping fee discount promotion and making it free for your customers. I'll walk you through the exact path and share a few tips so everything runs smoothly. First, open your TikTok Shop account and make sure you're signed into the seller side. From your dashboard, head to the orders section. This is a quick checkpoint to confirm your store is set up correctly and that your logistics are connected. Next, go to shipping settings. Here you'll notice there's no option to remove shipping fees outright. That's because shipping charges are calculated based on your logistics setup and TikTok supported carriers. The workaround is to cover that cost for your buyers using a promotion. To do that, move over to the marketing area in your seller dashboard. Open promotions, then look for the option to create a new promotion and choose shipping fee discount. This is the feature that lets you offset or fully cover the shipping your customers would normally pay. Start by entering a promotion name. Pick something clear and memorable so you can track it easily later, like free shipping store-wide or free shipping on new arrivals. Then you'll see configuration fields. Select the options that match your plan and choose the free shipping setting. This ensures the shipping cost appears as zero to your customers at checkout, so they won't worry about paying extra to get their order delivered. Next, set your promotion criteria. This is where you can define the rules, such as any minimum spend you want to require, a maximum discount cap if it's offered in your region, the start and end dates, and eligible regions or couriers. Keep it simple if you just want universal free shipping, or tighten the criteria if you're targeting a specific campaign window or product range. After that, decide whether the promotion applies to all products or only specific products. If you're testing the impact, start with a smaller selection. If you're ready to go big, apply it store-wide. When you've reviewed everything, agree to the terms and publish. Once live, customers will see the free shipping benefit on eligible products, and the shipping fee will be removed at checkout. If something doesn't look right, return to promotions to edit or pause the campaign. That's it. An easy, effective way to remove the shipping fee experience in TikTok Shop by using a shipping fee discount.